Who's ready to tie-dye, brother?
Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Austin Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to take this boring white shirt and turn it into this tie-dye spiral shirt. So to do the tie-dye spiral, you're going to need 4 things. That was 3 fingers. So the 4 things you're going to need: white t-shirt, rubber bands, plastic trash bags, and last but not least, dye. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna finish ripping the shirt off because it's kind of uncomfortable. Throw that to the crowd. The crowd goes wild. So, step 1. You got your pre-soaked white shirt. You don't have to pre-soak it in soda ash, vinegar, anything. You can literally use straight tap water. That's what I use. I don't have problems with fading. So, take your pre-soaked shirt. Grab right in the center. In this case, we're gonna grab the center of the alien. You're gonna wanna pinch and then slowly twist your fingers. You see how you have that little twist right in the center there? You can take your fingers off, grab the middle again, and then keep twisting. Take your fingers off, twist more. Fingers off, twist more. So, you see all this extra scrunch. Once you get there, put your fingers in the center, keep spinning, and get the outer edge tight with your other free hand. So now that you have your shirt all spiraled up, we're gonna grab 3 rubber bands, come down to your shirt. You're gonna wanna put 1 in the middle, twist it, 1 diagonal, twist it, and a 3rd one diagonal. So this is gonna give you 6 sections. You wanna try and line it up right in the center of the shirt. See where that spiral begins? That's where you want all your rubber bands to line up. That's gonna give you the best design. For our 4-section shirt, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna come down, pinch the center, twist, hand off, twist, hand off, twist. Bring it in tight to the sides. Then, instead of grabbing 3 rubber bands, all you gotta do is grab 2. Put 1 in the center, twist it, 1 over here. So now that we have the 4 section done, we're gonna move on to another 6 section. For this shirt, I'm gonna give you a little first person view. So once again, we're just grabbing the center, pinching, twist, hands off, twist, hands off, twist, hands off, twist. Bring that other hand in, wrap it tight, wrap it tight. Grab your rubber bands. Alright, now that we have all the shirts twisted, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is dyeing the shirts. We have our pre-soaked shirt, it's all banded up. So we're gonna take some red dye, and we're gonna choose one of these 6 sections, and we're just gonna add some red dye to that triangle. You wanna try as hard as you can to keep each color into its specific triangle. Next up, we'll do orange, yellow, we got blue, and last but not least, purple. As you can see, we have one side of the shirt dyed, so next we're gonna flip this shirt over, and in the same exact sections, you're gonna add each color. So here we're gonna add red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Alright, so now that we have this shirt dyed, we're gonna grab one of our plastic trash bags, take this dyed shirt, put it right into the bag, press any air out of it, twist it up, and then take this bag and throw it as far as you possibly can for the next 8 hours. Don't touch that shirt, don't look at it, don't think about it for 8 hours. Now that we've thrown our shirt halfway across the globe, we're gonna grab our shirt with 4 sections, and I'm gonna show you how to make a similar but different spiral. Alright, so we got our 4 sections dyed. Same thing as last time, we're gonna throw it in a plastic bag, get all the air out, twist it up, wrap it. This time we're not gonna throw this one. We're gonna find a wiffle ball bat, throw it up. So last we're gonna go back to the 6 sections, but this time, instead of doing a rainbow, we're gonna pick 2 colors and we're gonna go every other. My favorite color combination is green and purple, so we're gonna go with that. So you're gonna take 1 section, go green. Then you're gonna skip a section, leave that one open. Go green to this one. Then we're gonna skip 1 more section, bring it down here and go green. Go green, recycle, you know, don't litter. And all those white sections that you just skipped, you're gonna go with purple. Just like every other shirt. We're gonna bag it, we're gonna get the air out, and this one, we're gonna spin, but we're not gonna wrap. Because this one, we're going for distance here. On a serious note, before the weather ruins this video and we get rained on, you really are gonna let your shirts sit for 8 hours. That's gonna let the dye set, and that's gonna ensure that when we wash this shirt, your colors stay vibrant and they avoid that pastel look, which I personally enjoy the pastel, but I know a lot of people like the vibrant colors when it comes to tie-dye. So, we'll check back in 8 hours and we'll wash these shirts up and see how they come out.
8 hours later.
So it's been 8 hours. Next, we're gonna take each of these shirts, take the rubber bands off, and we're gonna rinse them in the tub. So you're pretty much gonna rinse each of these shirts until you don't see any more dye dripping off. I'm gonna rinse through these, and then I'll see you guys outside in about 5 seconds.
Astronomy really gets to the heart of our big questions. Our questions as human beings. Where did we come from and how did we get here? And then of course the big one, are we alone?
Alright guys, so that took a little more than 5 seconds, but here we are with the final products. Right here, we have our 6 section, 6 color shirt. Over here, we have our 4 section, 4 color shirt. And right here, we have our 6 section, 2 color shirt. So that's pretty much it. That's how you make a tie-dye spiral. As you can see, all the shirts came out pretty nice. This one had some bleeding, but it looks good anyway. Those, phenomenal. You know, tie-dye champion over here. But to end this video, if you guys are interested in buying any of these Alien Head Space Case shirts, they are now available on my Etsy. This is actually the first day that they're going to be available to the public. And the first 25 orders get a free Space Case sticker pack. If you end up making shirts, tag me on Instagram, tag me on Twitter. I love seeing people's shirts. If you have any questions about the methods that were shown here, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I try my hardest to answer every comment. And, you know, one final plug for myself, trying to pay bills out here. Go check out my tie-dye Space Case shirts. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Can they still see me?
Yeah,
What about now?
just a little bit.